Hello everyone, this is Bulji from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a video about Dethatcher brand rock and rocker. I have about last year and I used once or twice on the other side and it worked really great. My grass was really bad on the other side, but still it's not the perfect. I have to use a couple more time. Since I'm really busy, I'm not using too much. If I use too much, this machine will make different life of your grass. As you can see, this area on my driveway, I have a little section on the side. It was really bad shape. If you see my last video, it was really drying, so I have to replace all the sprinklers. Since I replaced the sprinklers, I'm getting a lot of water on the grass and some kind of weed growing up. I show you right now here. And before I spray weed controller, I want to try this machine. And this machine I have tested already, working really great. Purpose of this video is only to reduce weed from your yard, plus saving some money, because if you're gonna spray weed controller, it's also gonna affect your grass. But so we're gonna use this one then, so we don't have to do heavy weed controller spray or something. But I know I haven't done weed controller already, but this kind of weed is keep coming. I believe when they have planted this grass, they done something wrong, or I don't know. The seed is came already. So I'm gonna show you here where we have too much, and I will show you how this machine works and what it does. We're not gonna make this video longer. I'm gonna make just a couple minutes video. And if you more curious about the Dethatcher, this was like about $200 machine, and I bought it from Amazon, came home, and I used a couple times. It's really not big. It's just only 16-inch. Comes with the two rollers at the front. One I can show you, the other one we will see later after the video. This one, like these kind of wire, they're gonna just grab some kind of weed like this or dead grass from the grass and dump back in bag. The bag is not really big, it's keep filling really quick. So as is electrical, there's nothing start stop, just only one button, and that's the height adjust. I have on 3. We can move to 2. And now we're gonna try and see how this machine works. Then I show you the area I have a detach already. So we're gonna press this button, and then we're gonna hold this handle. That's all we have to do. I'm gonna use this machine like that, then I will come back with the video. But I'm also gonna show some. I was talking to my friend, he showed me that is the big issue. I have this issue, like this kind of weed. I don't know what it's called, and I hate this one because if you mow the edge using the edge trimmer, you cut 10 pieces. This weed grass have a roots on every 1 inch, so it will keep growing. So this machine will really work for that one too. It will pick up all. So as far I have used a couple times, only the one negative point I have seen, this cord, you have to do too much, like move cord around. You don't want to wrap up in machine stuff. Now I'm gonna do a little section, then I will show you how my grass look like. Now we're gonna make a video how it looked like before. So I'm done already. That's his look after. It picked up all the weed. Basically, that's good to pick up like this kind of, because it's gonna grab like this. It's just racking your grass. And I know it left some dead grass behind. That's only just I have to use lawnmower, or I can just blow dryer, and it will take all from the top and put it on the side, then pick up and throw in trash. I show you how much it's dead grass or weed it picked up. This bin is that big, almost half. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.